So one of the key things about a huge room like this is ceiling height. Believe it or not, this room is 10 feet high, and that's always the difficulty in a room before it's furnished. It's hard to get a grasp on how big it really is. Something that clients always ask me is, how do I deal with crown molding in a room like this? Is it possible that it's just too big or too small? And the answer is yes, it can sometimes be too small in a room this size. My rule of thumb is always think about taking away a little bit of the ceiling. So in this case, our crown is actually 12 inches. So it comes down 12 inches. So think about that. You're now making the ceiling in here 9 feet. So that's what I always say. Think about how high you want the walls to feel and then adjust your crown accordingly. In this case, it's big, it's chunky and dramatic. Crown, trim work, casing, doors, they're all getting bigger. So add more trim to your space, not less, because it will definitely not only add style, but value.